Hello everybody, this is Divya here, and today we're going to see why a healthy breakfast is needed in a diet, what should be included, what should not be included, and the myths and benefits behind it. Healthy breakfast is needed in a day because it is the most important meal of the day. Post your dinner, you are into a starvation mode. Basically, you are into a phase of where your calories are already burnt and you are into an empty stomach. So if you are not taking your breakfast, the whole day will be into a sluggish period. So the main important meal of a day is the breakfast. And why we need to take breakfast, what should be included and what should not be included is, it is better to take a breakfast because in terms of studies and all that, what they have said is like in terms of like kids, they are able to improve in their cognitive functions. Their behavioral changes are being very positive if they include their breakfast. In terms of adults, their concentration powers towards work and they are able to concentrate each and everything. The focus of their level differences shows changes when they take their breakfast into their diet. So what should be taken in terms of breakfast is like protein and fiber combinated food items should be taken into your diet. Like for example for protein sources, I say a whole grain cereal along with a protein source of almonds, nuts or egg can be taken into a diet because it gives you a feeling of fullness and it can be managed till lunch. If you are skipping your breakfast for meal, then your lunch will be like you will tend to overeat or overindulge during your lunch period, and it will be a sluggish feeling throughout the period, and you will immediately have hunger pangs in the mid morning or 11-12, or automatically the psychologically what happens out there is you always tend to have fatty foods during the lunch. So you should always make sure that the breakfast should be taken and it should be a healthy cereal. What should not be taken, like high-end sugar cereal bars or high-end sugary cornflakes or cereals should be avoided, or saturated fats like bacon and sausages which are high in sodium also, these things should be avoided, which will be too much in calorie and gives you very much bad and sluggish feeling. There is a general myth going on that people, if you don't take breakfast, they will tend to lose more weight on a higher range. But actually that is false. The fact behind is, if you take your breakfast, you will be able to manage your weight and it will be consistent for a longer period of time if you are taking your breakfast, because it will improve on your metabolic rate. So having the myth of you are lessening your calories intake throughout the day by avoiding your breakfast is not a healthier choice. You should better go and take your breakfast so that the hunger pangs in the mid morning and the overeating indulgence at the lunch can be avoided.